Oh, what's up, y'all? Good morning. Sorry for the late start. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, you guys? Good morning. Notice you guys are writing something in tech support. I am not getting liquidity maps set up either. Good morning, you guys. Morning, good morning, good morning. Great morning. Wait a second, you guys. Yeah, something's going on. Our data provider is timing out. Good morning, you guys. Welcome to the stream, y'all. Yeah, our data providers are having an outage. We're getting a timeout from them, network timeout. So it's not us. I'm going to do anything on the platform. I'm going to change anything. So looks like we notified them investigating what's going on. It should be up in a little bit, but let's use what we have, right? MHP, always a MHP break. Looking for that as a possible entry point. Always ENQ. We're talking about 50, 55, 48. We're already breaking MHP on Qs. Market's already irrational. Just like yesterday. Same thing all over again. You guys know the drill. So usually from here, MHP breaks our chases all the way to float. So normally we'll let this pop through here. And then anything that breaks back above is a trade right back to whatever resistance you got on a reclaim. So this one, I don't take the float. Normally I'll take the float off of here. That ratio is greater than half. You don't have the ratio, I'm sure it's greater than half. Lower DD band is the tap. So 182. Anything in here is a wash. Anything that breaks off of 286, also a go. Take this in 2 stages. This is not a region to buy dips on. I'm going to let it flush before I make any action on it. Let's see. Resilience dropping. Yep. So right now, just waiting. Okay, so waiting. Waiting let this overshoot. Let it do its thing. Let it overshoot any reclaim. Longer reclaim only. All right, I'm going to let it flush. Sorry, what I'm going to do is I'm going to let the market, I'm going to let it flush. There's no long entry from here. And our data had a small hiccup this morning. They're creating a new set of indicators for us, by the way. In about a week or two, we're going, maybe a week. We're going to have a, ready? Hedge pressure resilience, a blue one. Hedge pressure itself is going to have a slightly modified correlation for about 5 or 10% improvement. And overnight dynamics, automated, fully automated. They're building it now. So, little hiccup today. They're working on something on the back end. It's good news. It's a good thing. Ooh. All right, so this on the S&P is what I'm looking for. Here to here. Then we get liquidity maps, have more information. Bob says, yes, resilience looking good. Everything's showing signs. It certainly does, yeah. There's that gap fill. Right there. Nasdaq is barely moving, though. Relatively speaking. There's that flow trade-off there. Remember, any return to MHP. A lot of people like to take that short again. But the thing is that I hate days like this when you're irrational, right? A break of MHP is irrational. So irrational automatically defaults to trading small. Right? So there is a short setup from here to there. Remember, only roughly 10% of days will break through here. About 88% of days will close inside of these bands. These are the actual stats. 4% on the upper side. So ideally, shorting from here, long from here is a great setup. Either way, not trading in the middle, not trying to pick a direction from here. So here to wherever that gap fill is, one or the other. Stick your long scalp. Bob knows. Bob knows this is short-lived. So somebody in chat, over in Zoom chat, got to get out really quick. So we're gonna do a new thing for the Zoom calls since we're Zoom calling twice a day now. In the mornings, we're going to do the opening session Zoom call for just the first maybe 45 minutes, like the opening moves, right? Maybe an hour. And then we're all going to move to YouTube and still stay on YouTube throughout the day. We're transitioning into our new YouTube show format, which is going to be like YouTube all day long, pretty much. The Zoom call itself will just be like the opening trades, the opening moves. YouTube has a little bit of a delay, but we want everybody, after we do this, we'll pile back into YouTube and keep going. Pretty soon we'll be on YouTube all day. All right, let's wait for that to happen. I'm definitely not shorting today. Today's long setup for sure. I don't feel any bearishness in the market. No. But from here is not a good place to long from. So here. A break, a reclaim is also the chase. Any reclaim from here is the bigger run. Chase, to IRL from yesterday. Wherever that is. It'll be up here somewhere. Yeah, we had a small data outage this morning from our data providers. We got on it. They're building something for us, so I think they had a slight little issue. And coincidentally overslept. Never happens, but I was up till like 3:30 in the morning working on organizing our sprint for platform phase 1 and phase 2 of new work coming out. Let me show you guys what we're making. Let's give you a little tidbit of what we're building for platform. Platform phase 1. Boom. Zones drawing twice bug, which happens. Like whenever we load up the zones, it shows and then it refreshes and shows again sometimes. That's to do with our auto scaling. We're gonna fix that. Hedge pressure resilience, dynamic hedge pressure on the charts, automated. So what we do with the bot, automated. The save layout only saves the indicators on the main chart. Your small charts, it doesn't save the layouts. If you put like, if you have a bunch of small charts open, it doesn't save this is the layout on each one of them. The main chart, it saves the, like if I had these two resiliences open, it saves those two on each one of the charts. That's just a small little bug. Fix that. The scanner disconnect issue, we're working on that right here where the scanner disconnects. So connection issue in general. We're changing the alerts. Your irrational alerts are only going to include hedge break is going to be MHP break instead of hedge break because MHP is the only irrational sign. Hedge break is no longer irrational. Pick one, play small, only one. Simon Dean reminded me we're in MHP. Let's go. On the break is a chase. All right. Oh, I gotta do this. Any reclaiming of this is a trade to the long side, so just keep that in mind. Tap all of those. Okay. We go tap on the accounts I passed yesterday. Nasdaq's looking like right now. EP's looking pretty good. Oh, Nasdaq is reclaiming. Okay, let's exit the short side. Nasdaq is a long off of here then. Okay, so no more of that short setup. On the reclaim is typically a long, so on the bounce it's a long if we get it. Market no longer irrational, can tap it hard. Yeah, I noticed I have short ES on Nasdaq. Let's watch it. I picked the wrong one. And that did fill the gap on resilience. Oh god, resilience is so strong. Where we closed and where we opened. The gap fill is here. So open and closed are practically at the same spot. That's interesting. And these resiliences are both super strong. Whatever. Let's just tap it. Let's get on the long side. I'm going to hit it hard too on the break. Let's see where that red line is going to be from yesterday. I don't really have much of a good estimate of that because I don't have my Thinkorswim open. But let's go ahead and take a quickie. Just hitting roughly where that wick is. 58.95. Let's see how good I am planning best I can with what I have. So positive res gap fill box of support, no longer irrational on Nasdaq. So res greater than 0 and screaming. The market's great. This is recovery day. We're going up. Good. Nasdaq's red line's even crazier. Outside of the box. 591. We're gonna take a bet to the ES side that we're recovering, or to the Nasdaq side that we're recovering. I don't like to bet against the market, so we'll see. Am I taking a short? No, not shorting. Not shorting anymore. Thought about doing it, but once it broke through, I'm back to the long side. Cross the board. Longs it is. Longs all day. Longs it is, baby. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed, fingers crossed. Let's hold that MHP. Fingers crossed, baby. Let's go. Got a hunch by a bunch. Red line's pretty high. It's a retrace trade. It's been pretty clean. Market's clean. No irrational signals, nothing. Now we don't have liquidity map to guide us further, but trading just off of hedge pressures, I think I'm good. I think I'm really good on this, to be honest. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Hold this, hold this, hold this. Don't lose this. You claim as you go chase IRL, red line. Let's go. I love when the market dips, goes forward, V's out, and then goes, and then usually flies. I mean, flies. Like, this is going to sit on this one all day. Can I comment on monthly maps? Double check. Are liquidity maps come through? Ah! All right, data's back. All right, cool. The poll came through. All right. Great. All right. Cool. Okay, refresh your platform. This should be good. Where is it? Spy, BLU, baby, BLU, hedge pressure oh god, this is fucking flying. This going up. Bull long up, hedge pressure, bull zone bottom, DD84. It's going up. This is up. Going up today. Check out Nasdaq, just for funsies. All right, Nasdaq, remember. Start in a bull zone, left bull zone, bear zone, that's the rare. Hit MHP and tapped. What? Whew. We know the drill here, you guys. It does once it enters the middle from either side, it hates the middle. It will pick a side. It usually will side with DD. So let's just keep our fingers crossed. Anything back inside of here is bad. Back up here on Nasdaq. Oh, it's clean. Okay, guys, clean day. Clean. Fucking clean. Clean as it gets. Forget this note. Nasdaq specifically to there. Resilience is greater than 0. We fill in the gap. We're back to bull zone, and we're going to continue to go. Oh, it's been an easy day. We got data just at the right time. Whew. Come on, baby. No fear here. We know the rule. When you enter the middle from one of the zones, it hates the middle. It's going to get out. It's going to go straight to the bull zone. Nothing tell me it's not going there. Straight to the zone. Go, baby. Go straight there. Fucking rocket scooter. Love it, you guys. Love it, you guys. Love you guys. Let's go. Let's go. I just can't even. I just can't even. Even fucking trading blind with the data I've got. Let's have some fun with this one. Let's just check out SPY really quick. He's at bull zone tap. SPY has red line in the way. Where's that red line at? At treasure. Oh, we'll keep going. Gap fill and go. First resistance here, Nasdaq filling bull zone tap. Bull zone tap. The S&P's looking clean. Clean as ever. Clean as ever, guys. Oh, this is so clean. Let's double check monthly mass over here. Rational high tap of like, yeah, top of the band. It's going all the way to the top. So the red lines. Yeah, let it go. Let it go. No fear of this market. 0. Monthly maps, bull, 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 liquidity, bull side strengthening, bear side increasing. Oh god, this candle is gonna engulf the other one today. Oh, we're probably gonna close at the top. Fingers crossed, you guys. All right. We're going to try something new. Everyone in Zoom, we're going to stream for like an hour in Zoom, and then we're going to go to Discord. We're going to go to YouTube. So everybody here, go to YouTube. I'm going to try something new because we're going to do our morning Zoom is only going to be an hour long instead of 2. Everybody go there. I'm giving you 10 seconds or 1 minute to go to YouTube before I close the Zoom. So the YouTube has a slight delay. Yeah. But going forward, that's what we're going to do. The Zoom call is just going to be the hour, the opening play. For the most part, once I make the trade and get in, the Zoom call is like once I'm in, right? There's no removing of the delay, unfortunately. But the thing is that I usually only stream for about an hour anyways, hour or 2. So what I'm going to do is as soon as I make my trade and get in and I'm set then we all go to YouTube, because other than that, it's just gonna be better. So go to YouTube real quick. We're gonna test something out, and if it doesn't do what I want it to do, then we'll go back to just doing Zoom for longer. Let me see if I can't change the delay while live. Hold on. Not allowed during live stream. Okay, let me remove the delay then. But I'd have to stop it and start it back up. We should be back. Are we back? Are we back? Everybody from Zoom, say hello. Are we real time? All right. I'm just going to test something out. YouTube's been punishing us. Our engagement. YouTube's like, why have your engagement been as high? Because it's because everybody's in Zoom now. But we're building our daily YouTube show, like me and all the other vendors and stuff from the marketplace. We're going to be doing so. I know we've been saying we were going to do that for a while. Big a lot of engagement from that. And we're going to start building there. So we need to rebuild our YouTube audience. Let's see how well it works. And no delay. Plus, on YouTube, it's much easier because I can do stuff like, you know, like move the screens around and everything. Okay. All right. So inside of here, market hates the middle. So you guys that. We fucking crushed it today. All right. Market hates the middle. Hates the middle. From the middle. You guys know the drill. Whatever zone you open in, it closes in with rational conditions. Ready for this? 90% of the time. Under ideal rational conditions. Which are going to be here. Clean. Andrew trades, YouTube gets video, Matt. There you go. 90%. Open a zone, close in zone. 90%. 90%. 90% chance they're back in your DD strong enough to take us there. Keep going. One more. It will pick a zone. It'll pick a zone. 90% chance up in here under ideal conditions. 10% chance down in here. Practically 0% chance we close in the middle. It is going to pick a direction very quickly from here. When you open on one side, you do not move to a liquidity pocket and stay there. The market has an imbalance, whether it's bull or bear, and it will react. Practically, this is one of the coolest tricks we have. Practically 0% chance. Stats. I mean, almost never will it stay in the middle. So inside of here, as a trader, your decision is if you're a bear, you're shorting off of that. If you're a bull, you're longing off of that. So that's all that matters from here. Is if you are picking a direction, it's leaving the middle. So don't diddle in the middle. Pick a spot, whatever you want to do. And again, not investment advice. You guys understand? This is a new rule. So old school members, you don't know this rule. I err to the side of DD. If it opens in the middle, it's likely to stay in the middle. If you open in the middle, it's the same probabilities. 90% under ideal conditions, 60 to 70% under non-ideal conditions, like you'd have confluence. So today, confluence check, DD check, resilience check. We're good. No irrational signs, check. No irrational signs to the downside, nothing. No catalyst, nothing. So we're at that 90% chance QQQ closes in bull zone. This was the dip to buy. I was going to buy one. A bear would short from here to bet that we crash. A bull would long from here to bet that 90% we go up. Now the bot's kicking on. See, that's what I'm testing out. Our bots are like... Now they're going to annoy the hell of you. Because you guys are all chatting in here. Let me dashboard this. Let me change the delay on the chat bot. So it's going to choose a direction. Okay, there you go. I'm trying to, the chatbot's gonna annoy the shit out of you. So now I configured that. What's up, everybody? New format. Let's see what happens, right? It's going to pick a direction. Bear short from here, bulls long from there. Remember, I tell you, it hates in the middle there. You being crazy. That's not. All right, let me do IWM. Nasdaq testing MHP again. Losing MHP. It's just out, just done for the day. Keeping out Nasdaq today. This is the problem. A little bit choppy market, choppy weather. Be careful on this one. S&P is going to try to tap bull zone and interact with it. That's going to get gross really quick. Okay, let's watch. It does not want to break this. All signs are decent, so. This is the tap. This is the tap that is wanted. for the big trade up. Maybe a little bit of a flush before it reclaims. Any loss in reclaim is an entry point. We'll just hang on to it. Second long entry here for the big run up. VIX just had hedge pressure bounce. This is kind of like the first resistance here. And the VIX doesn't have necessarily like a clean path to the downside. Yeah, you kind of want to see that. Nasdaq's about to spill the party. Flush. All right, S&P. Don't spill the party, S&P. Come on. I trimmed this to half. Because if Nasdaq is losing this, I'll be back on the long side heavier if this goes above here. Friends on YouTube, don't forget to smash that like button. Give us a like. I translate to ES. Yeah. This is good. I think it's solid. This is just the gap fill. Resilience greater than 0. Market's solid, so there's no reason for it to flush other than volatility. So I'm not worried about this market at all. I just don't want to take too much drawdown. Oh, thank you, Rich. Thank you, Andrew. Latoya, did you get your stuff centered? I know I was chatting with you for a little bit. You good? Making sure you're good. Ooh, this volatility is nuts. The fact that Nasdaq sold so quickly, that's ridiculous. It wants to be up there. You're good? Okay, cool. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. We love you. Fill that gap. Let's go. This little quickie dip. S&P, get out of that middle. Get back to bull zone. Get over there. This is the crummy setup here. This is weird. This is weird. But S&P did open in the middle, so it loves the middle. That's the part of the S&P that's different than QQQ. That's okay. Never mind. That's not too weird. That's expected. Oh. Come on. Come on, give me some love. It's rare to break to bull and keep going. That is the rare case. So I did this wrong. DD goes to there. Why did I think it opened in bull zone? It opened in the middle. So when it opens the middle, it loves the middle. So the S&P wants to be in the middle. That's the thing. So the break and keep going is the rare case. You're late. What'd you miss? You're always late. My girlfriend dumped me. That was the story I was telling iDoc. She told me she could do so much better. She's tired of making eggs in the mornings and getting no love in return. You shatted the video. Matt asked Peeps to share. We'll help your algo. Oh, you shared the video. You said you shat the video. I was like, it's not that bad. It's pretty bad. Just shit on them. Come on. This was my mistake on this one. For some reason, what a critic. It's like what was it? Remember Siskel and Ebert? 2 thumbs up. If they were just like, I walked into this movie and I shat upon the movie. Wow, that is some critic right there. Okay, so like right here, this is my mistake, you guys. I mean, it's still probably gonna go there, but the fact that it tucked in is the weirder part. We open in the middle, and the 90% chance we stay in the middle. Unfortunately, that's my bad. Nasdaq was the one that looked bullish, but the S&P typically controls the show of the two. S&P, if you fuck me today, I'm gonna be sad. It's here from there. It was only that trade. The overshoot was too much. Somehow I thought it opened up here. That's why I was so excited and shouting. But probabilistically speaking, if you were to pick a direction and were to keep going, it should go up higher. It wants to stay in the middle, though. That's why it's gluing itself here. It wants. It's mid. I might get flushed here in a second. Hail. All hail. On S&P, don't hate. Don't hate today. Probably going to flush, which is the sad part. It's probably going to flush one more time through here. But that's the problem, because it already supported there. These stocks on the fence. MHP, or Nasdaq is pulling back, and the S&P is... Nasdaq is sitting on flat. S&P isn't. Let's see if it's Apple. I have a suspicion Apple is the problem child today, yeah. And Apple's supporting the market in MHP. That's good. Microsoft? No? Amazon? It's actually something unique to Nasdaq and not so unique to the S&P. Who is the problem child today? Ruben? Intel, Tesla. Okay. Tesla around the edge. Intel head pressure. That's looking good. No, no, these are all far from half gap. Who's on the edge? They fell below. I guess it's just so half of the stocks are selling, half the stocks are rallying. There's really no problem, child. It's like the market is just balanced in a weird way. We're heavily on the Nasdaq. A lot of the Nasdaq stocks have sold off really hard, which have dragged resilience down. I guess it's the same shape, yeah. So just depressed tech sector, but Intel has MHP balance. There's Apple, so I think the market might stabilize here. We'll see. I lower my position to one contract, just to be cautious here. Spy back on bull zone. Okay. Okay, let's risk it for the biscuit. Let's take it. Back to 2. Oh, hell. Oh, you hate me. %% chance break and go, but the break and go is it's a big run if we get it. Is it meta, Ian? All right, bro. You're always on point with this. Yeah, meta also hedge pressure. So all your tech stocks are hedge pressure. Let's start watching some of them today. Let's keep an eye out. Meta, Apple, Tesla, Intel. No, Meta, Apple, Intel, all MHP taps. This is a good sign. So this is a good setup. Chase long entry, upper DD band. This is a big play today. Nasdaq opened. This is the thing. This is the thing that had me confident. Even though S&P didn't, Nasdaq did. Nasdaq did open bull zone. Nasdaq doesn't want mid. Nasdaq wants bull. Okay. So this overshoot is volatility. Now here's the problem. This is the one short entry point if there is a sell-off continuation from here. Nasdaq wants this. It wants that once. It wants it so bad. Give it to me, baby. Uh-huh. It wants bull zone. Keep an eye out on this. Except it's fighting bear zone resistance, so. Who here is in our Discord yet? Oh, if this squeezes me out, I'm gonna cry. I want S&P. Give us the strength. Give us that strength, baby. Bulls on bottom. S&P. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I know why it's not listening to me. All right. The point at the screen. My sunglasses on like I used to. You guys remember if you watch a stream in 2019, 2020, 21 days? When I got serious mode, I put my sunglasses on. The blue FTX sunglasses. Hold on. FTX. This is a collector's item right here. Collector's item. I've got FTX memorabilia, baby. Check this out. These things are gonna sell. These things are gonna sell for a lot on eBay one day. I'm like, I could probably get $2 or $3 out of these, and I got them for free, so that's an infinite return on my investment. I put my sunglasses on. I point at the screen back in the day. I would get serious, and I'd point, and it would do what I wanted it to do. And roughly the same probability, but at least it was funnier. Less eBay fees. Simon, why do you have to ruin my party? Infinite investment minus eBay fees. Damn it. People didn't know that the sunglasses that I had on my Twitter page for the longest time were from the Bitcoin conference. Me and Blonde Broker and Chad and Wolf Financial and Stock Market News and a bunch of people from what the hell is it called? Black Box Stocks. Bunch of bloggers, bunch of Bitcoin people. We all went up there to the Bitcoin conference. Trading Chick. Y'all know her. She was there. I got these awesome sunglasses. I was back in 2022 when Bitcoin had fuck you money to spend. And it's like the conferences are like slowly dying out, but there's a music festival. That's how much money they had to spend. If I stopped pointing at the screen, that's why it's not going up faster. The S&P doesn't want bull zone. That's the problem. This is about a 10% chance right here. 90% chance we're sighted there, but a second break is promising. DD greater than half means that this is a scalp. This is what we call the DD scalp right here. From one side of the band, from one side of the box to the other is a DD play. Problem is that 90% of the time it wants middle. I'm in like a wonky position. This is hope, like hope, like a 10% chance we break. But if we break, which is a small probability, if we hold. Bull zone. It's if hold bull zone bottom, it's big ups today. Big retracement. Here's the first test. Go. Take that bull zone and go. Take it and go. I can't even see the text because of my... They'll be repossessed to pay off. What do you think about VIX rising and market bouncing right now? Short squeeze. Anytime VIX goes up, when market goes up, it's a short squeeze. And you know it's a short squeeze because the shape of the trading, it falls quick and then it slowly arcs its way up and speeds up. So, like, you see how this is like this? Short squeeze. Falls quick and arcs its way up. Heavily short market from yesterday getting squeezed is what would cause the VIX to go up today. Locally while the S&P goes up. Well, if Masters United can't get in? Wait, what happens when you try to get in to the Discord? What does it say? Alright, I'm taking my sunglasses off, but the market's gonna fall if I take off my sunglasses. Let me read the real stuff. Let me try something really quick. Wealth Masters United, so they can't get in. When you click the Discord, what happens? Eggs or potato sausage soup for breakfast? All right, chat, vote. What sounds better for breakfast? I get my very own eye doctor delivery service. What is... Let me try this really quick. Keep playing the screen so it works. Bulls on bottom. It's very small probability, but if it goes quick. It's big ups, big ups, big ups. Big ups on short squeeze. Let's see if we go. Slightly modified as this one is down to 25 gain, but this is my gains today. All my elite accounts plus my eval accounts are all going to go up as winners today. Scott just mixes a protein shake with coffee. No, but I get 5-star chef breakfast options. Look, the chef themselves graces with their presence and asked us what we would like for our 5-star meal. Preparado. We made potato sausage soup last night. It was like, imagine this, chat. Imagine this. No, chat is voting on what they want. Soup breakfast champions. It's like a roux was made, a white-ish roux. It's like a chowder. It's like thick. Potatoes, sauce, like super hearty. Or eggs. Would you get eggs every day? Trust me, the eye doctor delivery service is amazing. Let me look. I guess Chad is voting. Chad is saying soup. At least one person is. Everyone else is like, I don't have time for this. Okay, let's go to... I'm trying to change maybe the settings on Discord. Let me see if I can't... Wait, it's the wrong setting. Server settings. S&P, keep going. Go higher. I don't like that it's not moving, though. How do I do this? Overview. My server settings. break my heart, Spy. I'm just okay. Settings, safety under moderation. Oh, they move things around. Oh, wait a minute. Safety setup. Verification level. I have removed phone number registration. I have no idea that. You guys should be able to get in. It tells you email's already registered. You had to reset your password. Oh, yeah, reset your password. Discord forces these security settings on us. At minimum, as low as it goes, is email verification, which is weird. Like verification level, I can't go any lower than low. So Discord like is making me, you must have a verified email on your Discord account. I used to have like a verified phone number and I took that off because it's just annoying. Now you only get access to our Discord. Once you buy the package, you get access to all the channels. Spy, why you gotta break my heart? So Wealth Masters, for that, right? So whatever you're doing with Discord has nothing to do with our channel. So whatever email you're trying to get into Discord in, Discord is requiring you to have an email to access Discord in general. That's not our server. That's a standard Discord thing. So what you do is log in with that email or try reset your password with that email. Basically fixes it. Or just create a new account. Discord is so... Let me tell you something. As much as we love it, I complain to Discord all the time about shit like this. They're... Oh, come on. Blech. I don't like this. Hates me. Losing bull zone again. Just call it. Second attempt. So Wealth Masters, let's know how that happens, how that works out. This glass is so dirty. I wish there was something I could do, like just drag you into our server. People email me that a lot too, like, hey, I need access getting in. I'm like, yeah, I know Discord kind of sucks at this sometimes. Trust me, Discord supports the idea by omission of not giving a shit that thousands of scam accounts that pose as famous people or community leaders or whatever DM members all day long. Discord has no security in that aspect. You can mimic anybody that you want, including their name, their photo, and it's nothing. People named RS_Matt can message you all day long. And that's my name, and that's not me. And you have to click on it to expand the profile to see that they have an actual different name. Because Discord eats fucking paint chips because the security team is run by a fucking hamster that runs on a wheel and randomly chooses security features. They have no fucking connection to the community, being a platform that supports a community. They don't listen to their community. They don't listen to their community leaders. They just do whatever they want, and it sucks because people have been yelling to them years that we're going to sue you because of this class actions costing us all business. And they're about, you know, somebody's going to pull the trigger on it one day. By the way, you cost millions of dollars as you let people scam my customers, and it's costing us business. I'm sure everyone in finance would join that lawsuit. I'd join that lawsuit in a heartbeat. Someone pull the trigger. Anyways, like I said, there's no channel to the top. Tech support just is a fucking call center. It's stupid. Try to create our own vision of Discord. WAP did that. That's why WAP is doing it. WAP is trying to steal their thunder because of the same reasons. WAP's tens of thousands of vendors out there complaining about the same thing. Hey, I'm tired of my stuff getting scammed. And WAP's like, well, we have the solution for you. And I don't even think Discord is aware of that because they did what Twitch did. They got lazy because they were the only fish in the pond for a while, and they just didn't do much. And then other people spawned up and solved all the problems. So they could just change it. Like an example is when someone DMs you, it shows their actual username. So the weird thing in Discord is they allow you to have one unique name, but millions of identifying names because you can be different people in different servers. I get it. My name is Matt here in trading. My name is Backflip Headshot in Call of Duty server I'm in. My name is whatever in this server. Okay, I can choose different display names while I'm in the server. But what's weird is I can also choose a display name to go DM anybody I want. And what they see is rs_Matt sent you a friend request. And you're having a conversation with them. And it says rs_Matt with my picture. You must go there, click that profile, expand it, and then you see both names in a DM. It doesn't make any sense to allow you to be whoever you want when you're identifying yourself to a stranger to talk to them. It makes all the sense in the world to let you change your name in a server you're in to identify with whatever the fuck you want to identify with. I get it. You want to identify as whatever name for whatever server you're in, do it. But in a DM where it's nothing to do with the servers you're in, you can just pick people out of a hat and message them all day long. I could be Donald Trump tomorrow. I could call it real Donald Trump with this photo and just message people. Hey guys, it's really me. And exactly why I don't address it. The spam accounts add to their daily new accounts metrics. They don't care. They don't care. They won't address it. I've reached through Discord customer support before and told them. Anyways, they eat paint chips. They do. You know, I can't dog it too hard. You know, it is the crux of our marketplace business is connecting to Discord. But boy, oh boy, Discord is a security nightmare for a business owner. I'm telling you, Discord, somebody wants to clip this. You will lose your power as a center for community-based businesses. WAP will steamroll them, and Discord can just be a gaming novelty like Twitch is. It's hot for a minute, and then it disappears as better stuff with more security comes out. Better features for vendors, better features for business owners, community leaders. Community leaders don't want to put up with that. That's why I'm so fierce about it. You need to listen to us. And take us seriously. Mad. Reset the Discord password? Yeah, and stuff like this. Like a member wants to get in my community, and Discord's like, nope, we have all these required security features, must verify an email. The verifying email makes no sense. I can make 1,000 fake emails to verify an email. It's like, it doesn't stop the spam. It doesn't stop the server raids. It's like security theater, like at the airport. It's weird. Here's security feature. Don't let people choose a display name to DM a stranger. In Twitter, I got a check mark by my name, Trader's Paradise. There's only one. If you get messaged by someone on Twitter that's posing as me, it'll say Trader's Paradise or something. Missing a letter. There's an underscore instead of a hyphen. Something's misspelled. They got to try to be clever with the text. Okay. But people have been scamming through Discord forever. All right, hold on. My soup is here. Thank you. Can't come in because you don't have pants on. I never have pants on. Oh my God. All right. All right. I'll come out. All right. Hold on. Let me show you guys something. Nice trade went well. Hold on. Screen. Look. Hold Homemade. I don't know what to call it. Like, it's like, okay, it's chicken sausage. That's so good. Turkey, potatoes, carrots, and like a thick roux. It's like a chowder. It's like a, I don't know. I like a Italian chowder. Kind of reminds you, I don't know. Anyway, homemade garlic bread. Oh. Delivered by a pantsless eye doctor. It was great. Go. If we hold BZB big up, let's go. Anyways, I get so passionate about the whole Discord thing because it makes me sad. I'll tell you some stories. Oh! Where'd she cook this? Chernobyl? God, that's hot. That's good though. It's like a nuclear reactor up there cooking this thing. That's hot. Oh, that's good though. That's good. You still gotta hang out with us sometime, Brian. You haven't met iDoc yet, have you? Yeah, you haven't been around late. Well, I mean, it's football season, so you know. I'll hit up a couple Browns games with you in town. Just let me know when you're around. Why is this still smudgy? I don't know. I've been cleaning my glasses for like 20 minutes. I just need some cleaning fluid or something. Maybe the cloth is dirty, that's why. Okay. Yeah, but anyways, beef with Discord aside, they need to listen to people. That. Here's a sad story. Happened a couple times. One was on other social media platform, one was on Discord. The social media platform one was their mistake. Somebody messaged them on, I don't know, Facebook or something. I can't remember which one. No, Instagram. And it was like day trader paradise. And like one of the letters is off, right? But it's like, hey, how's it going? Oh, good, you know. And they message all of my friends, like the people I actually follow, and be like, hey, what's up? This is me on my new account. Add me. Like, what a silly thing. Like, why would somebody go out of their way and make a brand new account? And had all my photos there, but they were all posted on the same day. Problem is, this is a long time ago. Like, back in the day when I was single, I was on a dating app, right? Met a girl, went on a date. She actually didn't want to date me. Not because of me, but because she had a kid and a job, was moving all over the place, not ready for something. But she always was like, if things worked out, I'd love to date you, right? Apparently liked me more than I thought because fake Matt messaged this person and started a romantic online relationship to condition this person out of their money. It was weird. It's heartbreaking as well because this person, I got a message out of this person from the blue, like, hey, how's my investment doing? I'm nervous because I can't log in and get my money. And I'm like, what? Who are you? She's like, what? I'm like, yeah, I'm sorry, I don't remember you. I follow you, but I don't remember how I know you. She's like, you haven't been talking to me on your other account? And I'm like, no, I don't have another account. This was years and years ago. Anyways, so this person, I was like, yeah, send me the screenshots. And this person was like, oh my God, I'm so humiliated. I'm so embarrassed. I don't want to send them to you. And I'm like, what do you mean? Send them to me. And send me the screenshot. There was weeks of conversation of fake Matt convincing this girl that she was the one and she's the one that got away and longed for a relationship. And it was broken English too the whole time. Problem is this person couldn't see that was not me because it didn't sound like me. Somehow that eluded the person. So anyways, ultimately convinced this person to invest money into a crypto account who had no idea what crypto was, and convinced them to learn about it and then give it to them to invest, and then disappeared. This person lived in Houston. And so the saddest part for me was the person's like, what can you help me? What can I do about it? I'm like, I mean, you got to call the police. It's crypto. They're not going to find the person. They're going to put no effort into finding the person. And it sucks. I was like, man. And but the person told me, it was like the most heartbreaking part was, she's like, I'm not just sad that I lost 25 grand because it was something like that. It's like, but I'm sad because I thought we had, I thought you loved me. And I was like, I thought this was a thing. And I'm so heartbroken because I thought, and it was just like, I was like crying. I was like, all right, let's get the police on the phone. Like, we talked to the police department, got, police reports. I'm sure the police are like, crypto, it's like, you can't trace it. But that, like, stories like that happen all the time. And Discord is where that didn't happen in Discord. That was Instagram. But Discord is where most of that stuff happens. It's shit like that. But it's not romantic. The thing is that Instagram is a romantic thing. Because I don't know what they looked at, but I think they went through and, just found every girl that I followed. Later, Rich. So this was like hearing the person, like, and I've had other people in Discord contact me and said, like, hey, how do I log into my thing? I can't log in again. Like, the website is down. I'm like, what website? Like Rocksear's not down. They're like, no. Crypto bazillionaire.eu.zz.abc, and it's just like, the site looks scammy to begin with. You go there, it's like it's thrown up together overnight. And it's like people message. You guys get messages all day long. I get them all day long. I even get them from the other me's. They don't even care. I think they bot message everybody, because I get messages from rs_Matt all the time. Hey, how's your trading going? I'm like, thank you, self. Trading's going pretty great, actually. How's it going? I can even get messages from myself. So, rule is, I'm never going to message you guys about anything. Trust me, I don't like any of y'all that much. Never message you. On nothing. I need this market to start moving. It's starting to piss me off that it's not moving. I'll never message you anything. If I do, it's because you messaged me first. I will never go out of my way to DM anybody. If you have like account or login issues and I need to contact you, you will know that I'm trying to contact you because you're contacting us. But I don't go out of my way and like, hey, what's going on? How are things going? How's your trading? I don't do that. And I wish I could do that. To be honest, I wish I could do that. I used to be in, like, a long time ago, for Discord became a fucking cesspool for supporting scams. I used to message everybody like, hey man, how's it going? Just checking in. Are things going okay? Anything I can help you with? Anything going on, at the platform or something? You need any help with any additional training? I used to do that all the time, and now I don't do that because of that, because of the other stuff. I have to set a rule. I don't DM anybody because it has to draw a line, so there's no confusion. If I start DMing people and then they see the next day there's a Matt that pops up in the DMs, they may not know that that's not me because we've been talking. So I can't talk to anybody. It kind of sucks, right? Discord created its own scenario where the community leaders can't talk to their own members in fear of their members being confused, to protect you guys from 1 out of 1,000 of you being conditioned out of your life savings by some scam artist. By the way, I've never owned a crypto account. I never will, and I'll never ask you about it. I think crypto is garbage to begin with. I'll never touch that stuff. Might have some utility one day, but that's another conversation. But heartbreaking, man, to hear a girl said, I thought you were falling in love with me, and I realized that you were the one that got away, and I always liked you. And I just couldn't because my job took me away. But now that I'm back and I thought things were going to happen, and you were like talking about how much you wanted to be a dad and you could be a dad to my son. I was just like, oh my God. I was like crying at that point. I'm like, that is so fucking sad. Imagine being in that girl's shoes at that time. Not that I'm some great specimen of human, but I'm saying is like to feel like so close to somebody being like everything you wanted, and you're so happy with that idea for weeks or whatever, and then all of a sudden rug was pulled. I can imagine that person feels like heartbreaking. Can I create an in-house chat room in the marketplace? We thought about creating something, but I'm assuming as CEO, like pathways, I'm assuming this. Discord has so many holes and problems in it. It's going to spawn competitors that are going to do the work. It's fruitless for me to build something because what's going to happen is WAP and other people are going to build something. It's going to steal business from Discord. That's going to slap them in the face, and they're going to fix all the problems, and then we should be fine. They're only going to fix the problems out of business necessity of losing market share because that's how technology companies work. I run one. Well, gentlemen, we've met today to talk about the risk and severity of this. Well, we have a lot of people complaining about scam accounts. Yeah, but it adds to our numbers and traffic. Oh, that is true. Does it cost us any money? No, it's Discord. It's a free service. It costs us anything. Let these people complain. We don't care. This is a fake Discord board meeting. I don't know if this is what they actually do. Well, what do we do about it? Whoa. Do we have to do anything about it? We have no competitors. And all of a sudden, competitors step in. They're like, gentlemen, we're losing market share. And why? I don't know why the Discord executives are 1920s businessmen with curly mustaches and top hats, but they are. Gentlemen, we're losing market share. What do we do? Just kidding. I know I rail on Discord, but I feel like the more toxic I can be about it, ultimately someone will clip it and they'll see it and they'll probably hear it. And then I'll apologize for being mean. I'm so sorry I was mean to you guys. Honestly, I'd rather be scammed by Discord than watch this fucking market go nowhere. This is excruciating. Where'd my mouse go? Oh, there it is. Oh, let me take a bite of my nuclear soup. Nice some water. Hold on. You know, I used to like cover the screen when I had to walk away because I usually don't wear pants. I don't even care. But I just today I'm wearing pants though. If I accidentally walk away and you guys see me in my skivvies, don't make fun of my dinosaur boxers. I'm trying to eat. It's good. %, chance on the break. But if you break, it's big ups. Big ups on the break. This is good. Mark's going up. A max on this? Yeah, 2. These are stat accounts. So we're good. Guys, what trades are you in? Gonna go start asking me to show you my outfit every day. Look, this is I'll be completely honest with you. I get memed for this a lot at home. This particular T-shirt, this John Barbados V-neck crew, I buy him in like sets of 10. Like they come out with new colors every year. I'll buy the same T-shirt. I'm like Mark Zuckerberg, who literally has like, you know, a whole closet full of like those gray crew neck shirts that he wears. My closet is like 10 of these, 10 of the blue one, 10 of the gray one. Last year, there was a pink version, which is cool. Gray, light gray version. So my wardrobe very rarely changes. I'm a black T-shirt, black jeans, black boots, or white tennis shoes. Like 99% of my life. Nidoc's like, I love when you wear color. I'm like, yeah, but a rocker. I don't know. But my wardrobe is like it never changes. I'm like tried and true. Classic Matt. I think that's classic dude though. Black, blue, and white. That's classic dude colors. Dudes don't naturally have that like variation. We're all pretty simple creatures as dudes. Blue jeans, check. You got one suit, it's probably blue. Got one dress shirt, it's probably blue. So it may look like I wear the same shirt like every other day. It's a different shirt. It's different. Slightly. I need a haircut, by the way. I don't know if you can tell, but I love it. Like the sleeves on the side, they're like frayed. I'm so edgy. I'm so edgy, y'all. Like look at my hair, like emo hair in my face. I'm like so edgy. You just don't understand me. Okay, QQQ is providing resistance here. I don't like that we're not getting a lot of momentum though. QQQ is what wants to make it through. And again, it's tried once and failed, tried twice and failed. I don't know if I just want to sit here and battle this all day. The risk, if it pushes in one more time and holds, then it's likely to go quick. But a short squeeze is what we're dealing with, and hopefully we get it. Austin is like chopped till the end of the day, hands off because of it. Problem is there's no mechanism for downside from here. This is the rare thing to happen on Q, and there is no, I mean, everything is up. All the info is up. All things are pointing up. So I'm not too scared of this, but I'm just bored with it. So grinding caddy, correct, yeah. Just double checking EP gap fill, we're good in Q. Let me check that. In Q it. Oh, let's keep an eye on this too. We did reclaim monthly hedge with some volatility, so let's just keep an eye on this one today. I think of all the things to watch, is monthly hedge for sure. So today, as it's had the volatility start to iron itself out, point of no return is if you lose monthly one more time from here and just get out. I don't ever get afraid of MHP being a solid pivot. This is the first day of the new VIX month anyway, so you're going to have a little bit of volatility. But this is great. It's a great setup. Nothing in here tells me we're going to solve. There's no evidence that anything's selling. DD strong, resilient strong. Alerts are good. Supporting MHP. The R&R is pretty solid in this one. Once that volatility ironed out and it stabilizes, unless something changes, keep an eye on resilience on Nasdaq today. Unless something changes, this is going to slowly move higher and probably end up there. That's why I'm saying big ups. Big ups on this break if we get it. Big retracement. All the way to the top. The R&R is worth it. I mean, Nasdaq, what, 200 and... I'm blind here. That's a 200-point move for 40 points. That's almost like a 5-to-1 trade from here. Small position, set it, forget it. I don't have anything big. Two contracts. The S&P likely has a similar path. And again, if it fails, it fails. The R&R is good for the retracement. Retracement move. About a 4-to-1 trade. About 40 points on a 10 stop is not bad. It's $4 grand. $4 grand on 2. It's on a big up. And max, I'll lose 1,000. We'll check VIX. Well, if Masters United, did everything work out for you? Latoya. Everything's clear. Awesome. Thursday is where we test the new dynamic hedge pressure. Wow, Thursday. Incredible. I'm excited about that. Dynamic hedge pressure is automated. Exciting. Rich made $700 today. You're good. Left 2 feet on the table. Targets their second entry. Blah, blah, blah. Rich, killing it. Thank you, Rich, for posting. Yeah, help share the link. Help grow the community. Appreciate you guys. VIX in a muted state. VIX being down here, VIX wants to be down here, so that's good. Let that VIX collapse and we're good. I'm fully confident we're recovering today. Slow grind up, and this is just the start of it. So let's let this guy ride. My Dominus trade debate. Yeah, because I'm doing Elite Trader Funding Challenge. They're having a sale 85% off. So I'm knocking out 20 elite accounts and then you can't trade that in our platform, unfortunately. Trade debate doesn't let you connect. On S&P. Not afraid of this at all. Nothing is giving me weird signs. Market about to spontaneously combust on itself. Keep an eye out for Nasdaq resilience collapsing. This number right here. This is the only thing that's on the fence right here. Keep an eye out for that. Everything else is good. Air to the side of bull market. Monthly maps are still strong and bullish. I mean, nothing is alarming there. Oops. Bull side sloping down, bear side sloping up. This is a liquid market with bear shorting, bulls longing. The fact that they're pinching together is a likely why VIX is trading up a little bit while the S&P is trading up. Short squeeze. People are planning on shorting this harder, and longs are buying the dip, squeezing them out. Easy to see that. Oops. Nasdaq. Choppy with resistance, right? But this is just... But we have monthly expiration on Friday, so we'll get a whole new map following Monday. So when you get this close to monthly expiration, don't put too much faith into what the options look like the following week, because we're going to have a whole new spread. These things will iron out on that Monday, trust me. So you call it like the iron wall principle is that like when you're expiring, that's all that really matters. Is that expiration? So for the next 3 days, it doesn't look terrible. Wealth Masters, you haven't done what yet? Are you still struggling with Discord? Three points from here was, I make that 620. No, it's not 620, is it? 5,900. Keep an eye out, make sure Q's doesn't lose monthly, because that's like the big... Resilience on Nasdaq starting to plunge. Be careful on this one. Some stock breaking through the other side. Yeah, I might give that a couple seconds and maybe just cash in a profit if this doesn't move. I trust the bull market. I might just hang on to it, whatever. Oh, it's so clean. Nas is looking kind of booty. What stock is it? No, not HP breakdown. Cause they all. Who is it? Who is the? This is a hard one to guess because they all open the low sign. Let's just do liquidity map all. That's not the best sign. Nasdaq finding some selling pressure here. Distance a half cap. Let's find out who is ruining the market today. Nasdaq's not wanting to have fun. Who is it? That's weird because I can't find any particular stock. It's like a wave of all of them. Let's see, distance a half cap. Nvidia is too far. There's nothing on the edge that is like one stock. It's all stocks. Just creating that pressure. All right, you know what? I know I hate saying this, but do I just want to close out? Let me just walk away from this. I did pretty decent today. I'm not going to lie. All right, I'm going to call it a day. I might come back and try to do something later as long as the market stabilizes. This is just kind of showing more downside. I really don't know what to think of this. And the S&P might not have that momentum to go higher. So let's go ahead and wait. I'll wait on this. Although I will like to take bull zone bottom again. But I think just where we are, we're good. These are trades today. So these ones I was doing were just bouncing around flat or whatever. I had some big ups on some. Here to here. And then these are all just kind of muted. Whatever. Decent. Can't argue. Call it a day. All right, love y'all. We'll see y'all later. Don't forget. Wealth Master. Still get the same error after changing your Discord password. Until you figure it out, make a new Discord account or contact Discord's tech support. But unfortunately, there's not something we can do about that. That's all Discord. They're making you verify your email. Then check your spam folders. Check the email that's associated with that account. Contact their support and say, it's not giving my email. I'm sorry that's happening to you, but Discord sucks sometimes. At least send me a DM before you join the server. Actually, you can't log in, huh? That you had to sign out of Rocket Scooter completely. Hey, Wealth Masters, what is your Discord ID? You know what? Can you tell me it real quick? Quick, man. I'm getting off the stream in like 20 seconds, dude. Your Discord ID. Nope. Hello, Wealth Masters United. Discord ID. What's your Discord ID? I have YouTube minimized or something. That's the hardest part, man. Is it can't help you if you don't help me. If you don't tell me, it's that simple. I'm trying to help you best I can. Okay, I'm leaving. Love you guys. Goodbye. Don't forget, 20 days masterclass is continuing now. We've had so many people take it. We are repeating all the sessions. We went day 1 through 20. It is an everything class of trading. How to draw your trade plans on screen like I do. How to draw the path before it moves, the one you want to take. How to set up your risk and reward. How to make a full trade plan. How to do what I do. Changing positions, sizes with my confluence. Very regimented strategy. Huge community. Get into that. Go to Rocket Place and check it out. The link is here. Scroll up in chat. You'll see it. Link in description. Check it out. I'm going to still be a little 3 days in the membership. You don't like it, full money back. If you don't like it. But trust me, like I say, people join here have been here for 7, 8 years. There's a whole different paradigm to trading. You will not find anything else, anywhere close to what it is we do. Everyone else will look like they're just kids gambling. This is science.